It's just under clothes and toys. Well, could you close the closet door? There, all closed. Now go to sleep.
Here, let me push it back up. No, let me do it.
What's wrong? I think there's something under my bed. Only good things are under the bed. Could you check?
Here, I'll close it. You do it.
What is it? It's furry. Furry?
I'll close it.
It's only Edwin. Good night. Good night.
There you go. Good job. Be careful. Watch your little fingers.
All your energy saving energy. Get it?
You mean doing?
We need a new idea for tonight. Who could say that again?
You do it.
If only there was something that gave light without using...
Yay, James!
How about a flashlight? That uses up battery. I need to think of some...
James. James. Go. Hey, James. James.
But we can get new ones tomorrow night.
Go.
So the lights on, and you're not wasting electricity. And I can get some sleep. By the way, whistling is an excellent way to
Oh, watch your finger. There. Good job!
Could I have one more story?
Tomorrow. Time for bed now. Good night, Olivia.
Boogie, boogie, boogie. James. 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 Say da 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 da. I'm sorry, Moose is on. Puzzle time. This is James's favorite person in the world, Moose A. Moose from Nick Jr.
Where's the other one? That's it. You found them both. Now
Hey.
take a really good look at them.
Go da 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 da. Da da. James. Good job. Yay, James. Hi, Boogie Boogie. Hey, James. James. Hey. Hey, you. Bar. Boogie boogie.
It's puzzle time.
Hey you.
If I remember correctly, we're in the middle of a memory game.
Boogie boogie.
Take a good look at these two blue planes.
Say roar.
Because when we come back, the cards are going to flip over. And you'll have to remember.
Roar.
Make music with Nick Jr.
Hey, stop that.
When I'm feeling down or blue, when I don't know what to
Oh, now we lost him for a couple minutes.
there's a wonderful way I find to lift my spirits and pass